This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower their guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki दूरी for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-2397-8046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. The Meghalaya Government has stressed on forestation of coal mining areas in the state. Forest and Environment Minister James Sangma said on the occasion of World Environment Day yesterday that the department was looking at restoration and cleaning of rivers in East Khasi Hills which are polluted due to unscientific coal mining. The minister's statement assumes significance in the wake of frequent disasters in unscientific and illegal rat hole coal mines in the district. The recent such case is that of 5 migrant miners who are yet to be rescued from a flooded and abandoned coal pit despite ongoing efforts. In Manipur, 717 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases yesterday. 9 more persons died due to COVID-19 infection, increasing the fatality figure to 872. The number of active cases was 9,016 on the last count. 740 COVID-19 patients recovered from the infection, with the recovery rate recorded at 81.82%. Till yesterday, 4,14,026 persons were vaccinated against COVID-19 across Manipur. Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh yesterday inaugurated a COVID care centre at Canchipur, Langthabal, Kunja, Imphal West District. The centre, which has around 60 beds, is the first in Manipur to have earmarked half of its capacity for children below 15 years of age. It is equipped with oxygen concentrators for treatment of COVID-19 patients. The Chief Minister also planted a sapling at the hospital campus in connection with World Environment Day. He appealed to everyone in the state to plant at least 1 tree and to stand against large-scale deforestation. 9 deaths due to COVID-19 took the toll up to 652, and 497 cases of new infection tallied to 5,797 active cases in Meghalaya yesterday, while 801 more recoveries added up to 31,781 recovered cases. Meanwhile, 4,02,245 persons were administered with the first dose and 74,461 were fully vaccinated with the second dose against COVID-19 in Meghalaya till yesterday. In view of the continuous large numbers of COVID-19 cases in East Khasi Hills and Meghalaya and hospital bed occupancy nearing saturation, the district magistrate has extended curfew up to 5 a.m. on the 14th of this month. Inter-district movement of persons is not permitted. No person is to step out without valid reasons. Vehicles plying without passes will be liable for strict penalties. Opening of essential shops would be regulated. Political, public, social and religious gatherings, including conferences, meetings and trainings, weddings and sporting activities, are not permitted. Anyone in defiance of orders is liable for arrest, warned the East Khasi Hills district magistrate. Nagaland detected 309 new positive cases of COVID-19 yesterday, increasing the overall tally to 22,696, including 4,821 active cases. The state also registered 177 more recoveries from the viral infection, the health department said. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has directed the State Transport Department to prepare a standard operating procedure outlining detailed restrictive measures to regulate the movement of coal trucks through the interstate border. Mr. Sarma held a meeting with police, transport and tax department officials to ensure compliance to the Supreme Court order on movement of overloaded coal trucks. The move is likely to affect hundreds of coal-laden trucks from Meghalaya that make their way through Assam on a daily basis. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.